guys, welcome back to our channel, and today will be part 1 of our home improvement series.
And we'll be standing our back porch today.
Yeah, it's a big project that we've been trying to do for a while. We're just now getting around to it. So the first thing you'll need to stain a porch or a deck is to wear comfortable clothing that you don't mind getting dirty. So the next thing that you'll need are 2 brushes or the little paint mops that you can get at the store. I don't know what those are called, but this is what we have. We should have got bigger ones, but since there are 2 people doing the job, we figured, okay, we can get this done. This is from Walmart, the WM403 brushes in the, I guess, brand Good or Walmart brand. So hopefully this gets the job done. We know it. The paint that we're using is the Valspar 1-coat exterior stain and sealer, all-weather defense, 10-year guarantee. So it's perfect on decks for 25 years in fencing and siding. Rain ready in 4 hours. So we need to get this done. This is $9. We got this for $9. So yeah, this is what we're using. If you like the video, if like how everything turns out, you can use this as well. There's other stuff too, but you want to make sure that your stain is all weather defense depending on where you live in the climate. So let's get into it. How's everything going?
It's going pretty good. You know, I should be done with the railing and all the posts today. Maybe work on the steps, the flooring today, hopefully. If not, I just want to get this part here done, but I'm about done.
Okay. Hey guys, so we just finished the deck, and it took us about 2 hours to complete the whole thing, but it wasn't bad at all. Make sure that your porch or your deck is sanded before you paint. We didn't record that part. We ended up having to go out and get some sanding tools and doing it before we ended up painting. We stopped for a little bit and we ended up sanding the other half of the porch, but everything turned out great. We're going to show you how everything turned out, and then this is only part 1. Part 2 will be us staining our front porch/steps, and then we have more things coming, so make sure you stay tuned.